Hey, hi. So your Android application is completed. Okay. So this is the Android application. First, you need to do the registration. For as a user login, first you have to create an account. Okay, and it is for only one time. Okay, you have to create account only once, and then you can do the login with the same credential next time. Okay, just right. I have one account which I am logging directly. Okay, and once you logged in, okay, here you will get some options like upload waste history, my rewards, my profile, FAQ, and logout. Okay, and in the FAQ, do let me know ki if you want to add any question and answer here, I will add it. Okay, so in upload waste, okay, this is the main screen. Okay, so first you have to click screen. Okay, then here user can upload an image. Okay, any image, or they can click an image, or they can upload it. Just like I'm selecting some item. Okay, from download folder I have this image. Okay, so once you select the image, first it will upload on server and it will make the prediction. Okay, just like I have uploaded the images, and if I click on image, so here you can see it has make the prediction, and it has detected the bottles and plastic and cardboards and all. Okay, so it will also add the automatically comment key weights contains this. If you want to remove it, if you want to mention your own, you can also mention your own content. Okay, like that, paper and plastic, etc. Okay, it is auto generated, and you can set the emergency status, whether you want to pick that particular waste immediately or something. Okay, and you can mention this address, Nagpur, etc. Okay, and then you have to submit it. Okay, once you submit it, it will go under pending. Okay, you won't get the reward directly. Okay, until and unless the admin will approve the request. Okay, so as of now it is going under pending. Okay, so, and in the history section you will be able to see the history. As you can see, we have recently uploaded, right? So here you can see waste pickup and the bottle images, and also the uh, description and emergency status. Okay, similarly, if you click on view on map, you can able to see the address location. Okay, whatever address you have set, it will show in map. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, similarly in my reward section you will have the reward, and you will also have the list key when in which pickup you have got how much amount reward. Okay, etc. So similarly in side section also having the same options. Okay, and in the upload waste, okay, here we have found, right, it has detected. So that is been basically done by machine learning. Okay, the model which I shared, right, the collab thing, so everything is doing with that model. Okay, so after that let me log in as a admin. Oh, that was the user part, and this one is the admin section. So in the admin section, you can also upload the waste, same as the user. Okay, and admin also have the one pending request option. So in the pending request option, whatever user has uploaded the request for the pickup of waste, okay, it will list here. Okay, and